We're Mr. and Mrs. Constantinou, and we live at number 100 Grove Park in Camberwell, SE5. Hamilton's windows fitted the whole front of our house.
We had some other windows fitted by another company, and we can compare the difference, and the Hamilton windows are much better. We were at our daughter's house when they were fitting her windows in Wallington, and we were there for 2 days while the workmen were doing their job. And because of their excellent workmanship, we thought when we come to have our windows, we would want the company to do it for us. They use dust sheets everywhere, even in places that they were not fitting windows. So, for example, the passageways.
And the stairs, they put dust sheets down, going up and down. They didn't want to carry the dirt everywhere.
And this, again, compared to the other company who didn't use any of those things. And when they left, we had to clean the house for 2 days.
The windows of an old Victorian Edwardian house, they're not always straight squares. Therefore, they had to fit the new windows according to the space left when the removal of the old window was done.
I think we were very surprised about the quality, and
in a positive way.
In a positive way, our windows here, because it's a conservation area, they had to look like the wooden windows of our neighbours, and one cannot distinguish them from the wooden windows of this area. Yes, of course, we would
recommend them very highly.
Very highly.